Stop creating useless email like coldboy123.com or lucas123456 at gmail.com. That one mistake can lead people to not take you seriously at the first sight. So in order to create better and professional email. So in this video, I will show you how to create an email step by step and also tell you where people get it wrong. So welcome back. This is lukashassantii Tech, where I teach you smart and simple tech skills. So today we are creating an email. Usually we are building your digital identity. So the first thing you might be wondering or you might ask yourself is, where can I create my Gmail? On Android or PC? Well, my recommendation for this tutorial, I recommend you use PC. Here is why. Like the number one reason, because of the bigger screen, there are a few mistakes like for Android, you might be mistyping because the keyboard is small and the screen is small. So the other one is it has a better security setup. So here is why you need to use PC. Number one, it has a big screen which allow or which prevents so many mistakes like rush this. So for the best email platform, I recommend you using Gmail, like Google Gmail. So here is why, because one, it is trusted worldwide, it works perfectly with YouTube, strong security, easy to manage. So let's create one. So follow me carefully. Number one, open your favorite browser. For me, for this tutorial, I'm using Chrome. Okay, so you can use any browser of your choice and head over to this website account.google.com/sign up. Click enter. You can see your display like this display. So here it's you are seeing first name and last name. Okay, so now let's fill these details. The first name, I will use Lucas. It doesn't matter your case, you use case and lowercase. Lucas. Okay. Next. And note please, when inputting your details, don't choose something random because you might want to recover your Gmail, or maybe you want to log into another device someday. So if you choose random things, it will be difficult for you. But if you choose your right information and something that is static, or you can even take notes of it if you can forget. Okay, so here is the basic information. Enter your birth and gender. Now this requires your birth. Okay, so for me, I'm using January breast 1955, and of course that's not my age, I'm just using it. So for the gender here, you can see female, male, rather not to say and custom. Of course, rather not to say, as we all knew, our current world, we have so many gender: bisexual, gay, lesbian. So you might, if you are one of them, you can choose that. Or you have something called the custom, which will tell the Gmail how to refer to you. For example, you can type in it, her, he, stuff like that. So for this tutorial, I'm choosing male because I'm a male. Go next. Now, here is the most difficult part and the tricky. So this place determines your email, like how official or how strong or how matured you are. So as you can see similar recommendations. Lukashassantii Tech 85, Tech Lucas at Gmail, stuff like that. But I want to use my own, like I create my own email. So you can choose create, and you have the dialog box where you have to type your email. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going with Lucas, and note email always go lowercase. Lucas Tech at gmail.com. At gmail.com. Okay, I have to copy it and paste it somewhere. You all can see here. This is to save my email. So I'll paste it here just in case. Here over there again. Click next. As you can see, only letters, and the mistake was me adding the at gmail.com. So you remove it, and this one, lukashassantii and Lucas Tech Support. Click next, and you can see that was just a cool name, Lucas Tech Support. Okay, now here comes in the password. Of course, the password requirement for Gmail is 8 characters or 8 digits. Right? You are not allowed to use your name you just inputted or your email name you just used, which is very weak because to input a strong password. As you can see mine here. This is my password here. This. You can click through password. You can see what you are typing. But for this tutorial, I don't want guys to log into my email actually. So just click next here and use your phone number, which is very key in order to recover your email someday. Or maybe you might want to log into your Android or maybe another PC. So this is very key. So now your number, click next and verify. Your email is not ready, but keep in mind, always write your password somewhere which is very safe, because you might want to log in or you might want to change the password someday. So that will actually help. Now, here are the common mistakes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want more simple tech tutorial like this, I've got you covered. This is lukashassantii Tech. See you in the next video. Thank you.